Would you ride a scooter that sneezed bubbles? 1 or 3, pick now. Cleo the mouse turned the wheel. Achoo! 1 blue bubble bounced ahead. Cleo grinned, rolled to the next corner, and turned a little faster. AHCHOO! 3 big bubbles whooshed across Whistle Bubble Lane and hit the flower cart path. Sharp turns made bubble storms. Would a slow wide curve make 1 gentle bubble? Trace a big curve with Cleo. Cleo leaned softly. 1 wide turn, 1 bubble. 2 wide turns, 2 bubbles. 3 made a tidy floating trail. The bubbles lifted 3 fallen flower ribbons back onto the cart. Cleo and 2 neighbors cheered, slow and wide. Cleo parked, proud. Gentle turns had guided every sneeze. Then 1 tiny tricycle behind her whispered, Achoo!